The app is known as Face Look Changer. You can even look in Play Store. Thank you.
Thank you, the chairperson. Can't we read stories from the storybooks?
You are out of the topic. We are not talking about books. We are talking about media platforms.
A person from your team said that we can read stories from the Google. That's why I asked that question.
If there is someone who is working abroad and his family is staying in Somalia, someone who is working abroad like America, somewhere there, and the family is staying in Somalia, what will they use to connect? Since you said that it separates family, so what will they use?
Media separates families by which a person is posts a picture with him, with a girl, with a boy, and then a person can come with that picture and change the face of the girl to the girl of that family, and when the family sees her, they will throw her out of the house. That's the separate families.
Which app changes from one person to another?
The app is known as Face Look Changer. You can even look in Play Store. Thank you.
I want for reason, my sister.
I would like to ask the current speaker from Oboza side. Give me 8 examples of uses of websites. 8 uses of websites. Thank you.
You are the one who's supporting media. Give me 8 examples of 8 uses of website. You are the one. Thank you very much.
But we are the first ones who asked you the question, so you have to answer it.
We all know that media is very bad. You are the one who supporting media.
There are some people that are seeing what's happening there. Then they will tell the other people, and then you will know what's happening in your country.
The people who are in America, they stay with you. They said if you are here, where can you get the news from?
Thank you, Chairperson. What do you mean by entertainment?
Is the action of providing or being provided with amusement or enjoyment.
I would like to inform Honorable Sadiq by saying they learn bad habits. It is about someone's what they want to learn. You can as well learn good habits using the media platforms. Thank you.
Thank you, the chairperson. Is it in order for a main speaker to come and just gives us 2 points?
I would like to tell you, Honorable Saeed, add in the list that you can also learn bad habits by watching bad movies. Thank you.
I would like to inquire from the current speaker, what are 7 risks of media platforms?
Separation of families. Number 2, wastage of time. Number 3, cause health problem. Number 4, wastage of money. Number 5, distraction of future youth. Number 6, failing exams. And number 7, laziness. Thank you very much. The chairperson.
Why are social media platforms not a property? Honorable Farhiya, nobody has said it's not a property. Please don't create your own things. Thank you, the chairperson. I would like to ask Professor Said, how social media causes sleep problems? Yeah, I would like to add what my colleague has said. You see, when you sleep, when you keep on using the phone and you go to bed while you are still using the phone, you can't have a good sleep because your mind is not like tired. Like what you will even dream about will be what you are watching. Thank you.
Thank you, Teacher Bason. How can media platforms waste money?
How does media is a source of information?
Media platforms are a source of information because every information we post it there and a number of people can see it.
The answer is TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook.